So you see this picture now there on screen. I believe a lot of us know the picture. I want to use face make, show on how it will work on this particular picture, because face make I have to use do makeup even without makeup artist. So first thing first, you go filter, you will see retouch for me. Under this retouch for me, scroll down, you will see face make. Click on face make. So now like this now, retouch for me face make panel day. If you look this side, you will see different toolbar. This here, different toolbar there. But maybe that's not what they use. Like this other parts, yeah, we go really use like this section or the menu bar, but the drop down menu. Now we go use, if you click on lift, it's what you do the face. You do face lifting. A lot of people they do surgery for that thing and liquefy, but now automatically it do the lifting. If you use these sliders, adjust them to your tastes. You see, anyhow we adjust them, might go work for you. If you do this feminine lift, it's RCB. Then if you do the masculine lift, it's RCB. So this thing at AI, will give a time make it peak too. Then we'll go the major side carriers come here now, which is makeup. Once you click on once you select this makeup, you will see tons of eye shadows. I mean that they say that they do for eye. You see tons of those things. You will see lipstick. If you want to add freckles for your skin, if you add them to it. So we'll go down to this place. We could see. Okay. Now if you just click, they select until you see the best one we want to use. I think I like this one. It is subtle. We'll go the lips, then select which one we could work best for the lips so that it could be similar to the one we did the eye. May not they far from each other. So this one really give her the Aisha look. We need freckles. No, might leave them like this. But if you want to add freckles, you see this skin now. As it just the next they go, the thing automatically puts the right one for the skin. But I'm not gonna need this one now, because if we use them now, here Retouch4me here will remove everything. We'll click on apply and see how this picture will appear. You see before, you see after. Now this now to just show you how Retouch4me Face Make the work. We'll go to another picture now. This now a different picture entirely, and more see because she wear glasses. We'll see how challenging this one too go do. Just follow through. Same thing. Go filter, Retouch4me Face Make. So it go load the previous settings automatically, because I've been done using just now. So make a turn off this thing, make you see before. I turn off facelift. You see? Then we'll go back to no fun mode, face make. Because fun mode is another mode too, where you fit play around it in case you need that. Say fun mode. You see? So this fun mode now, they automatically play around your facelifting. They just give you waiting if you say will they best for you. But I know they use them. Now makeup. We'll go back to the makeup, see her lips. I think this lipstick fit her, or if still test other ones. But that lipstick fit her. This one too fine. So if you just play around to see, make her use this one. Then make her see the drama for her eye. You know, say as she wear glasses, it dey underneath. Smart zoom in, make they see. They underneath the glasses and see how it track the eye lid very well. I use English too. So I say track the eye lid well. So you could just select to see the best fits for this particular image. You see, they a bit challenging. for the AI to find the eye, but it's still, you see, it's still the one. Whoever think about this plugin, try. So I feel okay. This one work. Must see before, must see after. Before, after. So it is track based on the previous one we been there her face. We'll click OK. Now how we don't see retouch for me for normal headshot. We don't see am for headshot where the person wear eyeglass. Thank you. We can try another type of headshot now, which is this one where she did slightly turn to one corner. Although she do make up for this, I'm going see waiting Retouch for me Face Make go do. Ctrl J, now be to duplicate. Go same thing, filter, Retouch for me Face Make. So it selects the previous one. You see her eye? You don't do much on her lips because the red lipstick which she used, they very strong. So we concentrate on her eyeshadow. Yes, eyeshadow. Just they select. We could see the one will fit her best. Ooh, what is that? So I give her smoky eyes. Now see this one and they give some what's name we call this bird? Some peacock vibe. So we could use this one for the purpose of this video. Click on apply. Then so far now how Retouch for me Face Make they work. If you see this video, hit the link for description. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe so that they will still see us and make it with our video they show. Check the video description. You go see link, promo link. Just click the link. You go just carry, instead of you to do all those things from beginning. Just click the link. You go carry go Retouch for me platform. See you for next video.